Hi guys, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. Chappy's chewing on a stick, but I'm sure he'll make an appearance. Today I'm going to go through a chair flow that concentrates more on the abdominals and the legs. What you need is a nice sturdy chair. Please don't use a fold-up chair. And a flat belt or strap. Any flat belt will work. One of the options you can use instead of a strap is a bathrobe belt. They are perfect for this. If you like yoga videos, please do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new material every week, and you can check out my website at DreamSpreeStudio.com. Okay, let's go ahead and get settled in. Sit comfortably in your chair. Bring the hands down to the lap. You can bring the palms up if you need more energy for today, or place them down if you need grounding for the day. Hi, Chappy, you're just in time. And close your eyes. Let's begin to focus in on our breathing. If you'd like to set an intention for your practice today, something you can bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and maybe something positive you can bring forward into the rest of your day, now's a good time. On your next inhale, go ahead, open your eyes. I'm going to reach out long overhead, clasp the hands together, and exhale over to the left side. Inhale up, exhale to the right side. Let's just flow back and forth like that for a moment. One more round. And come back to center. Bring the arms down to the sides in a T. Inhale tall, and exhale, turn over to the left side. Inhale to center, and exhale over to the right side. Again, we're just going to flow like this for a few more breaths. One more round. And come back to center. Bring the arms back down to your side. Inhale up overhead. Exhale down, hands to heart center in prayer. And just continue on down to a forward fold. You can grab the sides of the chair if you'd like. And just let the head hang. Just keep breathing. On your next inhale, go ahead, come back up. Inhale, hands up overhead, and draw them down the back in cactus arms. Inhale back up. Exhale down in cactus arms, and bring them back down to the side. Let's go ahead and lift the right foot up. And let's do some circles with the ankles. Just circle it around. And now circle it in the opposite direction. Bring the foot back down. Pick up the left foot. Let's do some ankle circles. And now let's circle it around in the other direction. And bring the foot back down. Now this is when you can use your strap or your belt. Just go ahead and hook it under the right foot. Bring it out in front of. Hold it with the right hand and try to engage your quads. So you're lifting it, but if you need a little extra or stability, use this belt to help hold it up. You can bring the left arm over to the side. Head up tall. And just breathe, holding the foot out. And on your next exhale, you're going to take it out to the side a little bit, just as far as you can go comfortably. And if you'd like, you can look out over the left shoulder. Keep breathing. On an inhale, bring the foot back forward. You're going to take the belt off. Now we're going to switch sides. So go ahead and take your belt over the left foot, or underneath it rather. Hold it with the left hand. And again, you're going to engage your quads. You're trying to lift it forward. Bring the right hand to the hip. And just when you start to get a little tired, just hold on with the belt. Keep the back up tall. Just keep breathing. On your next inhale, let's take the foot out to the side just as far as is comfortable, and you can gaze out over the right shoulder. And you're stretching the hips and strengthening the leg at the same time. Let's stay here for another breath. And bring the leg back forward. You're going to take the belt off and put the foot back down. Now you're going to take your belt and just put it behind the chair. I have to loop mine through because I'm trying to keep this guy from eating it. Now sit back in the chair. You can bring the arms down to the sides of the chair or back to the legs. And just point the feet forward in front of you. Now we're going to flutter kick the feet a little bit. Just go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the feet back down. Rest for a moment. Inhale, exhale. Reach back down. Going to flutter kick again. Bring the feet out in front of you. Flutter kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the feet back down. Hands to the lap. Inhale and exhale. Just let it go. One more round. Working on those abs, working on this part of the leg. Inhale up. Flutter kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring everything back to center. Take a big inhale and exhale. Let it go. Good job. Now let's try a knee to chest. 2 options here. If you can't grab your knee, if you can't hold the knee here, you can use your strap again. Just use the strap, hook it around the knee, and pick it up like this. So you can either do this or pick up the knee. Just sit up tall, hold it in, and breathe. Getting some mobility into that hip flexor. And release. Now we're going to do the other leg. Don't forget you can use your strap. So inhale up. Sitting up tall. One more breath. And release. Good job. Now I'm going to get up. I'm going to move my chair. You guys don't have to. I'm just moving it so that you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to disturb Chappy. Let's scoot the chair to the side. Just grab the back of the chair. You can reach back with the right foot and just do a little bit of a lunge. So you're just stepping back. You're holding the back of the chair and bending forward with the left knee so you can get a nice calf stretch. Just breathe space into that calf muscle. And if this is too much of a stretch, just come up a little bit. Remember that exactly where you are is exactly where you need to be. Let's take one more breath. And pick the foot up, bring it down. Now we're going to switch legs. Pick up the left foot, put it behind you, bend the right knee, and you're just in a lunge. Pressing back with the hands so that you can get a good calf stretch. Just breathe, breathing space into that calf. And always remember, if this is a little too much, you can just come up a little. Never force a pose. It's not worth it. Come back up and bring the foot down. Now, pick up the right foot, cross it over the left, and look over your left shoulder at it. Get a nice little stretch in the right side of the body and the hip. Inhale back up and bring the foot down. Now pick up the left foot behind you, cross it over the right leg, look over the right shoulder at it. Gazing back towards the foot. If you cannot see the foot, if that's too much of a strain for you, just look in the direction. Let's take one more breath here. Pick up the foot, come back to center. Good job. I'm going to turn this back forward. Oh, that's nice. You found a ball. Good job, man. Excuse me. Okay, let's do a few more forward folds. Inhale up, gathering energy from up above. Exhale down through center, forward fold. Halfway lift, come back down. Rise all the way back up, gathering the energy from above. Hands to heart center in prayer. Let's do one more. Inhale up, exhale down, forward fold. Pause here for a breath. Rise all the way back up. Hands to heart center in prayer. Let's go ahead, cross the right knee over the left leg. Put the left hand on the right knee. Put the right arm behind you and look over towards the right shoulder. Look as a twist. Just breathe into that side. On your next inhale, untwist. Bring the right foot down. Pick the left foot up. Bring the right hand over the left knee. Left arm behind and just twist and look behind you. On your next inhale, come back through center, uncross your legs. And let's just tilt the head over from side to side. Just tilt it over to the left. Inhale through center. Tilt it to the right. Center. Left. Center. Right. And center. Let's roll out the shoulders one good time before we take our Savasana. Just roll the shoulders up. Chicken wings. Just loosening it up. And roll them back the other direction. Shake the arms out. Wrap your arms around yourself. Give yourself a big hug because you did amazing and you love yourself. And release into Shavasana. Just sit back comfortably in your chair. Bring the hands down to the lap. Close your eyes. Begin to feel yourself relax from the top of your head, in between your eyes. Relax the jaw, the throat. Relax across the chest, shoulders, arms and hands. Relax any tension that's left in the solar plexus, the stomach. Relax the hips. And relax all the way down the thighs, the calves, and the feet. Feel how you are supported by the earth and you are safe. On your next inhale, begin to deepen your breathing. Make some rotations with the fingers and toes, ankles and wrists, just some small movements. Reach out long overhead in a big stretch. And bring the arms back down. Bring your hands to heart center in prayer. Close your eyes if you've opened them. Do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for taking the time today to do a little something good for you. On your next inhale, go ahead and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for spending a little time doing some yoga with me and Chappy today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week. If you have an idea for a video, drop me a comment, let me know about it. If you need a little help with your yoga practice, drop me a comment. Maybe I can help you out. You guys stay safe and well out there. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Say bye-bye. Aw, it's time to play ball.